In this video I am going to show you how to create helical bevel gear in Autodesk Inventor. We will create this part and apply material at the end. So let's start by creating a new part in millimeters. Start a 2D sketch on right plane. Create a vertical line of length 163 mm and then horizontal line from this one to this one, this point, this line, and create an arc by pressing the right click of your mouse and dragging the mouse. It will automatically create an arc. Undo this. Like this. Create another line. This one to this. And finally close the sketch. Let's define the sketch. .45, 32.5 mm. This length is 32 mm and this one is 36. Distance from this point to this line 80 mm. Okay. Apply a vertical constraint from this point. Sorry, we are in right plane. This point to this point. This point. Okay. Define the radius of this arc as 11 mm. This part a little bit downward. This one is 38. This one is 5. Now the sketch is fully defined. Okay, one dimension is left. This point to this line is 112 mm. Now the sketch is fully constrained. Revolve the sketch on this axis. Okay, now our shaft has almost been created. We will create the helix of the gear. Start sketch on this plane. Start a circle of diameter 170 mm. Another circle of diameter 100 mm. Create a 3-point arc. This point to this. Okay. Drag a little bit to this direction. Start a line in construction mode. This point up to this point. Give dimension from this point to this as 6 mm and this point up to this line as 16 mm and arc of the radius as 65 mm. Sketch is fully constrained. Mirror this line. The line has automatically been selected. About the line, this one. Okay. Now create a circular pattern of these two lines about the axis origin. Keep the number of geometries as 9. Okay. Trim the lines. You can either trim the lines by clicking on the line or by dragging towards the line in this way. Okay, trim the inner lines too. Finish the sketch. I'm going to show you how to create a plane and start sketch on that plane automatically. Start a 2D sketch, select on the face and drag in this direction. It will automatically create a plane and start sketch on the plane. 45mm. Now you can see the plane has created and sketch has been started on that plane. Okay, make the sketch, copy the sketch, edit this sketch, paste. The sketch has been pasted. Turn off the visibility of the sketch 1, sketch 2. Delete the construction line. Rotate the whole sketch about the region to the angle of -15 degree. Okay. Scale down the whole sketch up to reach where we want to region of the 0.75. Okay, done. Finish the sketch, copy the sketch and hide the visibility of the sketch. Okay, do the same thing, select this face and now give the dimension 95mm. Paste the sketch. Okay, we just need to scale down the sketch up to 0.75. This point is the region 0.75. Okay, done. Finish the sketch. Hide both planes, work plane 1 and work plane 2. Turn on the visibility of sketch 2 and sketch 3. Now just loft the sketch 1 to the sketch 2 and up to sketch 3. Okay, the helix has been created with the power transmission angle of 15 degree. Set this view as home, to you. Okay. Now we want to create some grooves. In engineering we call it splines in this plane. Slice graphics mode is on. We start a 2-point rectangle, but first project the entities. You can see which line I have to project. Okay. The circle has been projected. So project. Okay, finish. Slice graphics. Start a 2-point rectangle. This point and dimension 10. Okay, horizontal transfer this point to region and dimension from this point to this line is 41mm. Extrude this face and conditions are 2 to the face and the face is this circle. Okay. There is some error in the extrusion. Sorry, edit features of the extrusion. Edit feature, and this is not a cut, this is extrusion. Okay. Make circle patterns of the extrusion about the axis. Y-axis, keep the number of placements 13 or 14 of your own choice. These numbers depend upon the patterns of your hub or shaft which you are going to design for this to fit in. Okay, create a circle on this face. Circle of radius 30. Okay. Extrude the circle through all. Cut. Now the part has been created. Apply material stainless steel and semi-polished. Okay, now the part has been created. In the next videos I will create the driven gear which will be driven from this gear, and we will see the mechanism how the power is transmitted from one gear to another, and we will simulate and make constraints to that gear. So keep watching Computer Design for more videos. Like, comment and share.